What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the Nite Ize DoohicKey. Yeah, here is the Nite Ize DoohicKey review. Let me take it out. I mean, this is the main uses of the key, but let me, yeah, can you see now? I'm sorry for before. Yeah, here is the, so now let me take it. I mean, this is the Caribbean clip, the bottle opener. Okay, there's a lot of good stuff. Okay, let me take this one out. It's not coming that easily out. Okay, here we go, and then let me take out from this one. Here we go. Yeah, so this it is. To be honest with you, it's quite good. I mean, should you buy? Definitely yes, this is a must buy. Subscribe.